Welcome friends. Today let me describe about projecting PC or wireless connectivity of mobile with your PC or laptop. This is used for mirroring screen or recording the screen, or you can also control your mobile from your computer. It's used by many people for gaming or to see or watch movies on a larger screen. So without wasting time, let's go to the screen. Now we are on a window and press right setting in the search bar. You can see that it's open. Press systems and then projecting screen. My friend asked me that I am facing this problem. So you can see on the screen that three text places are locked and he is unable to make any changes. So let me give you the solution of this. You will learn not only projecting screen, but you will get rid of this problem too. So for this we will go to optional feature and then we will go to add feature. Remember, you need only to take on wireless connectivity. However, I take 3, that was my requirement, so you need not to go or to select the other 2. This is wireless display. Make a tick on it. After that, we will press install and you will see that the items will be installed, and you will again go to projecting screen. Remember, when you press projecting screen, so go to your mobile and press wireless connectivity, which is available in settings, or you can also find it in drop down menu. It's not difficult, so you can see that I selected 3 items and that is installed. Now we will see again there the area which is locked would be unlocked. Now settings and again system, and now you can see that projecting PC, all the 3s are available. So I choose the best option for you. I select that always available, first time only, and never required a pen. It's just to make ease for myself, because it's now you can see that another wizard appeared, and select always, press OK or choose whatever you require. Now you will see that the mobile is available on screen. You can see that you can control your mobile from your hand, and you can see it on a larger screen, and now you will use it through mouse. This is controlled through mouse or your computer. And now I will show you another limited connectivity of an app which is called WhatsApp. You can simply go to your Chrome, rewrite in the space bar whatsappweb.com, and now that is available. So the WhatsApp web give you an access to the app WhatsApp. It's limited, and you can enjoy, you can do faster working, or you can use not only your WhatsApp from your mobile, but while working on your computer. So I hope you would like. Thanks for watching, and please thumb up and subscribe.